kids are older, they already know. They also feel when their bodies are tired, they know that they need to replenish. So we have, we're big on, for my kids, we're big on protein because they really need that. And yeah, so everything's prepared already for them. They already know what to eat. But I also allow them to have cheat days. On weekends, you can have maybe a pizza. Hindi naman tayong boring, di ba? Because, you know, you also have to let them enjoy also their free days. But on regular days, especially on competition days, we're very strict with the food that they eat. There are certain foods that they cannot eat. Especially for Kendra, she's a swimmer. So she can't be so heavy in the pool. So it's also just what like Dimples was saying, it's involving them in and informing them what they could eat and cannot eat. And because again, my children are older, they already know what works for them, what doesn't work for them. But you, because your kids are still
Oo nga
small.
eh. So akin kasi medyo malayo agwat. I practically gave birth to 3 different generations. So imagine, I have an adult, a kid, and a toddler. So for me, Angelica, I always make sure that food and eating and consuming, drinking becomes play for them as well. The children, when they're younger, everything is play for them. Learning is learned better through play. Understanding is learned better through play. And so I feel like when we do things like shapes, it can be as simple as shapes.
Stick mo, ha?
Oh,
Fairness.
oh, I really make sure.
I'm a teacher, no?
Oo, siguro ako, growing up, I didn't have that luxury. We weren't as privileged growing up. So I wanted to make sure, Chess, that this time, I will do right by my children and give them everything that I may not have enjoyed when I was a child. So kapag sabi nga nila nakakaluwag-luwag ka na, medyo may oras ka na to prepare all these things. And so, because as a child, I was really fed through fear. As in, I was really, pag di mo kinain yan, ito mangyayari. Pag ito, and alam naman ito ng nanay ko, kahit naman manood siya ngayon, hi ma, if you're watching, you know this. So, we always make a joke about it, but with the kids, now that they're growing older, and I'm a much, I guess, more, not really gentler, I'm still strict, but a more informed mom, I am able to maneuver knowing the rules and knowing when to break them as well. And for kids, willingly, I break these rules every now and then because I really want them to have a really happy childhood.
You make it more fun for them.
Yeah, so alam mo cute yung shapes nila. They make T-Rexes off of
Broccoli.
yes! Well, mahirap yung broccoli, no ha? Kasi 3 yun eh. So, nandun kami sa 3, pero yung mga shapes namin usually ay dinosaurs kasi mahilig yung mga anak ko. So, T-Rex, Triceratops, so all these parang mga nuts na gagawa nila yan, mga horns. Gusto nila yan, matagal lang ang kainan, pero masaya.
For as long as they finish their food, diba? Whatever floats their boat, why not?
Diba, why won't you want to finish naman a Triceratops, diba?
Kasi tingnan na lang nila kasi ang ganda, diba?
And then that gets their minds also so creative, diba? But that's true, no? Kasi when you were younger, our parents are much different. Our generation before, you follow what they say, but of course, you need to obey pa rin your parents. But I think now we're more lenient and more holistic in our approach when it comes to our kids.
So, ako naman parang I always just try to tell them, ever since we started drinking Pediasure Plus, it was such a breeze for my kids. And they know this because they've seen them. And I always kid around them, ako, get that na kasi nakakalima na siya today. And I was just asking Doc Olay, how many is plenty for Pediasure Plus? Because they love it so much. They love the taste, they love vanilla, but they also love the chocolate. So, I love how it has become a part of their childhood. Alam mo yun, yung pagtumanda sila, this is what made me stronger and taller and be able to reach for my dreams figuratively and quite literally. Because then nga, the boys, they want to reach something, they have to be strong and tall as well. So kung may gusto silang abutin, whether dreams man yan or actual things man yan, they have to work on it. They have to know that everything we do, everything we drink, we consume, we eat, like, of course, Pediasure Plus, will always have an effect on their bodies. This way, they also have a healthy mindset for when they are growing up. Now, if I put this in my body, that will not be good for me. If I put this in my body, this will be nice.
Yeah. And also showing appreciation for Pediasure Plus. I really like that there's this new formula with the CPP that helps absorb all the vitamins and minerals that, our children need. And, diba, again, what they say, it's one thing to be eating something, but if your body's not absorbing it, what's the use of it? And with this new formula, I'm excited that, to see how else my children will grow and how this can help them develop to be even better athletes.
I will just add in, Doc, because I remember asking our bosses and I was saying, so ibig sabihin, if there's the Pepti Grow, ibig sabihin, if they drink it while they're eating the cheese, while they're consuming other things that has calcium, mas ma-absorb siya better. O di sinasabay ko na lalo.
Because, diba,
kasi parang,
Doc Jun, ang daming ganun, diba? They're eating, but parang hindi sila nag-gain ng weight. Parang namang hindi tumatangkad, diba? But with this new formula, it becomes easier for our kids to absorb all the vitamins and nutrients of what they're eating, even what they're drinking, because Pediasure Plus helps that.
That's correct. Pediasure Plus is actually founded on the science of intake, nutrient absorption, and nutrient utilization. Yung tatlo yun, intake, absorption, and utilization. So nakita niyo yung evidence kanina that it can improve appetite. So that's the intake part, and the diversity of the food. Number two is absorption. So this is where the CPP comes in. So it can enhance the absorption of nutrients, especially those three, zinc, iron, and calcium to the GI tract. And utilization, as you can see, the school bus bringing calcium to the bone. And also, as Dr. Mandy pointed out, the fat-free mass is also good. I mean, they gain fat-free mass without excessive fat gain. So that's what you call the nutrient utilization. And also, Dimples, you brought up an important point about how much to take of Pediasure Plus. It will actually depend on the child's needs. Just like yung anak ni Cheska, diba? They're very active and they're like adolescents now, so they may need to take in more. Now, if the child is like normal naman for his age and height, then pwede na yung 2 servings per day. But better yet, consult a pediatrician such as Dr. Ola. Maybe you would like to add to what I said.
Doc Ola, for my kids, how many would you suggest?
Well, it would depend. For example, an average school child has around 1,200 to 1,800 calories per day, and that would also depend on the age, sex, and activity, as mentioned. So, range naman siya. So, of course, you take in the food that he or she eats, plus the oral nutritional supplement. So, what is good with Pediasure is that it is, well, from the gastroenterologist point of view, it is 1 calorie per ml. So, madali lang, 1:1. So, kung 220 or 250 ml for a glass, then that is also 250 calories. So, madali na lang mag-compute, right? So, kung mas kailangan niya, for example, yung milk pa lang, for 2 glasses, that's already 500 calories, 250 or around that range, 460 to 500 calories na kaagad. So, lalo na sa mga active, tulad ng mga kids ninyo, so they really need it.
Hi, I'm Jane from Manila Bulletin. Hi. This is to address, actually, ang dami na napag-usapan na that made me excited to know about the next product. But before you go over to that, Doc June, with all the milk products available now, it can get confusing for most of us moms. And especially with your new product, can you share what makes it stand out?
That's a very, very important question. So, una-una, for me as a doctor and as a scientist, I would look at evidence. So, importante yung clinically proven because there are many claims or benefits that are being talked about for many things. No? As a doctor, I would like to see first, what is your evidence? Anong pruweba mo na talaga nag-work yung produkto mo o yung kinakain mo? So, for me, number one, it should be clinically proven. That means there is evidence in humans. There is a clinical trial, there is a research, there is a study that it can have those benefits in a certain population for which the product is designed. Number two is the nutrient composition, the formula itself. As you can see, Pediasure Plus has complete and balanced nutrition. It provides 3 sources of protein, plus the PeptiGrow system, which is what is new. Added arginine, vitamin K2, and of course, casein phosphopeptide. So these are specialized nutrients that may not be available in other nutrition solutions or in other formulas. And number 3, of course, is my own experience and my doctor's experience. If my pediatrician would recommend that to me, then I would say that, well, it must be good because my pediatrician is confident in the product. My pediatrician trusts the product. It means that there is something good in that product. And once I use it, I will now have my own experience with the product. Now, if I see that my child is really catching up in growth, my child is really developing well, then I have all the more confidence in continuing using the PediaSure Plus formulation with my child. So those are the 3 things that I would say that make PediaSure Plus stand out among all the many milk formulas out there.